Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you all how to use gliding discs to make your back muscles. They're easy to do and a lot of fun and super effective. They're also easily available in online stores and you can get it in any sports store as well. So before we begin guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Today we're going to be targeting all the muscles in our back region. I'm also going to teach you guys a few different variations to get you all started. So do keep in mind to take it slow so that you guys can learn and get the best results out of them. Once you understand how to do the exercises properly, I would recommend you're doing at least 5, 10 or 15 reps in one go. You guys can also repeat all of the same in 3 sets as well. I hope you guys are warmed up correctly, otherwise you might get a catch in your back. If you guys haven't warmed up correctly, make sure to follow the link in this video or in the description box below. So enough talk for now guys, and let's just begin. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and you'll like the exercises that I programmed for you all. Do let me know in the comment section below on how you guys felt about it as well. So as usual guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.